In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off noise suppression on Discord. If Discord is cutting out parts of your voice or affecting your microphone quality, disabling noise suppression may help. To get started, open Discord on your computer. Once Discord is open, click on the settings icon near the bottom left corner of the screen. In the left-hand menu, scroll down and select Voice and Video. Now scroll down until you find the Noise Suppression section. Discord may be using a noise suppression feature such as Krisp to filter background sounds. To disable it, click on the drop-down menu under Noise Suppression. Then select None. This will turn off Discord's noise suppression feature. While you're here, you may also want to review other voice settings such as echo cancellation, automatic gain control, and push-to-talk. Depending on your setup, adjusting these settings can further improve your microphone quality. Once you've selected None, the change will be applied automatically. You can now test your microphone in a voice channel or by using Discord's microphone test feature. And that's how to turn off noise suppression on Discord. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more Discord tutorials.